What's up, guys? I feel like every time I post a video, I have to include some sort of recipe or I'm letting you down. So now you have a perfect how to make a margarita recipe. They're pretty strong, so warning there. Maybe limit yourself to 1 or 2. That's about all I can do. And if you're under 21, just wait. Wait to try this until you're of age. Don't be stupid. So that's the warning there. But as you know, I'm in Topsail Island, North Carolina for the week. Just vacationing with the family, hanging out, relaxing, sunbathing, playing in the water, doing a little surfing, trying to at least. Yeah, having some fun and just recharging the batteries. You gotta do that every once in a while, right? Hey. My son's coming down here. What's up, man? You gonna get on the beach and hang out?
Yeah.
You wanna say hi to everybody?
Hello.
It's my son, AJ. Mwah. Oh, no, we didn't just do that.
By accident.
Are you gonna go hang out with Mom on the beach?
No, I was actually gonna ask you guys.
Come over
if
here.
I can have dessert.
You gotta come in the camera and talk.
I know. But I was gonna ask you guys if I can have dessert.
You want dessert?
Yes.
Well, Nana and Pop-Up got you dessert, so you're gonna have to ask them.
Yeah, but they said to ask you guys.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
Just don't go overboard, all right? All right. Wait, you gotta say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Later, man. So where was I? Cookbook contest, that's right. It's been way too long. It's been like, what, 3 weeks maybe? Yeah, I apologize. It's just, there's a lot of stuff that's come up and yeah, good things, of course, but you know, I've had to put it off until now, but here I am, and we're gonna talk about the winner. First of all, everybody's entries were awesome. I enjoyed reading every single one of them. So I really appreciate you taking the time to post your comments and tell me a little bit about your favorite kitchen knife and maybe where it came from or the backstory behind it. Thank you so much. The winner is the Epic Win. Perfect name, right? Their story was about how they received a kitchen knife at their first job. And you know, it wasn't anything crazy. It was a simple knife with a plastic handle and a broken tip. But it meant a lot to them, and they still use it today because it reminds them of where they came from. And I think that's pretty powerful stuff. I mean, it had an impact on me, made me think about my past life experiences and what they've done, how they've made me who I am today. You know, and those experiences early on in a career or in life, they help define who you become. So that was a strong statement, and I appreciate you sharing that with me. You're the winner for the contest. Congratulations. Contact me via email. You can find it in the About section on my channel. And shoot me a note with your mailing address and I'll get the cookbook out to you ASAP. Again, congratulations. And thanks again to everybody who participated. Cheryl Cooper, if you're watching, please contact me as well. I've got a little something for you. I'm really sorry to hear about your flooding and your loss. And it really sucks. And I've been thinking about it a lot. So yeah, shoot me a note. I want to reach out to you about something. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to having some fun and relaxing and finishing this margarita. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later.